Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Asana projects to mobile using the correct account step by step clearly. Open the Asana app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the correct Asana account. Locate the project you want to transfer from your desktop. Navigate to the main project dashboard. Tap on the project name to open it. Review the project details to confirm this is the right one. At the top right corner, look for the three dots icon. Tap on the three dots to access additional options. Select Share Project from the drop-down menu. Choose the option to share via link or email. Copy the link to your clipboard or enter the email address of your mobile account. Open your email or a messaging app to send yourself the link. If you opted for email, send the email to your own address. Once you receive the link on your mobile, open the email or message. Tap the link, which will direct you to the Asana app. Log in if prompted to ensure you're in the correct account. Once the project opens in the app, review the tasks and details. Check if everything transferred correctly and is accessible. If any tasks are missing, go back to your desktop to verify. Ensure all updates are synced across devices. You can now manage your Asana project directly from your mobile. Make any necessary edits or additions using the mobile interface. Your Asana project is successfully transferred and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.